We don't know. We want to know.
Starts jumping every night when the sun goes down. They got whiskey, women, music and smoke. It's where all the cowboy folk go to boot scoot boogie. I got a good job, I work hard for my money, and it's quitting time. I hit the door running, I fire up my pickup truck, let the horses run. Flying down the highway to that byway, stuck out in the woods to do the boot scoot boogie. Oh, heel toe, dosey do, come on baby, let's go boot scoot. Cadillac, blackjack, baby, meet me out back in the boogie. Oh, get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot boogie. So son, what'll it be? I want a shot of that red and yonder looking at me. The dance floor's jumping and it's harder than the 4th of July. See outlaws and laws, crooks and straights, all out making a shake, doing the boot scoot boogie. Oh, heel toe, dusty do, come on baby, let's go boot scoot. Cadillac, blackjack, baby, meet me out back on a boogie. Get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot boogie. Oh, heel toe, dusty do, come on baby, let's go boot scoot. Cadillac, blackjack, baby, meet me out back on a boogie. Oh, get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot boogie. Oh, get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot boogie. Well, I said, get down, turn around, go to town, boot scoot boogie.
Was a rock star. The line for breakfast is long, and half of them have already gotten their food. We'll see what's left when we go up there. Gone. happy hour. People are just talking and having a really good time.
There you go. Oh, I forgot another thing. It's crazy how things come to my mind. If the bottle is hit and falls off, and if you catch the bottle before it hits the ground,
It's like an automatic win.
it's like an automatic. You get
Oh, there you go.
the person who catches it gets 5 points.
Did we get points for that?
Yeah, you lost 5, you get 3 points. Yeah, catch right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was awesome.
I don't know, 5 points.
Woohoo.
I didn't put any points down.
You were winning
Nah.
anyway.
Oh, God! Inches!
That was really close.
Oh, turn over.
That was not so close.
Everybody that's got a biscuit is going to get a Kellogg or a chair. You could even sit on the bench, maybe.
Daryl, you want the chair?
Oh, just stand up. Just stand up.
There's some benches here. And you want to put it on the tip of your bra.
Hold.
Okay, pull. Tap. Okay, stick it on the top, and what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of push it down.
Roll it like this.
Does it remind you of anything?
You don't want to put
Let's see who's good at this and who's not.
I can tell you from experience, it sucks when your 15-year-old daughter did it wonderful.
Don't poke a hole in it. You do not want to put holes in your business. That's why I say it's easier to play down. Otherwise, you're like me. Between your legs.
yours, Joe. It's gonna be yours.
That's usually where it goes,
Oh,
right?
that's usually where it
Yeah.
goes.
Between the legs, yeah.
But it's a little easier.
So you want to
Wow, we got something going on, right? What's
roll
this?
it down.
And you'll notice
Wow. All right. Doug has got something there.
Doug got it all the way to the bottom. I was going to say, you notice? Spend a lot of time in that RV, don't you?
Guys who knows what he's saying.
Look at his face.
No holes. Like Doug and Liz, you're going to put it over the coals, campfire.
The thinner the better.
The thinner the better. And you're going to rotate it. The reason that you rotate it is because if you watch these guys, they are cooking their biscuits. You see how it's turning brown? The goal is to cook your biscuit until it easily slides off your rock. When you get your biscuit cooked, it'll look like this. Okay? When you pull it off the pole, don't pull it off too early. If it sticks, leave it on there and cook it a little longer.
Oh my God, Daryl, what is that?
Wow! There's men in every level.
Daryl, that is impressive.
I didn't want to be that guy.
He's not even confident, he just knows.
Oh, that's funny.
We always showered alone in the locker room. Everybody else shower.
I'm a shower.
Yeah, mine's bigger than yours. God.
Oh, it's funny.
Maybe I'll share.
You know what?
That would be don't want a biscuit.
That's it. Yes. That's enough.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's the same thing as that.
I know, I heard that before.
You tried everything.
So we have vanilla and chocolate pudding. We have peach,
Vanilla
raspberry,
pudding would be good on it.
blueberry, apple, and cherry,
All right, how are we doing over here? I
Whipped
see some
cream
people
and
munching
chocolate
down.
chips.
This one's about home.
and a cherry on top.
That looks really good.
Okay, taste it.
Did you make one for me?
Taste it, Daryl, she said.
It's a parfait. Ooh. So you had probably some vanilla yogurt or vanilla pudding in there. Maybe some cherry. Yeah. How are we doing here? Raspberry. I think there's raspberry in this one. And chocolate underneath. Wow, you guys did good.
Good.
Good job. I might have to do something like that.
I think a combination.
There you go. We have no napkins, so you'll have to lick your fingers.
Good.
I have no problem doing it.
Wait a minute, what'd you say?
Wobba dinger.
Baba Dinger, he said. Go ahead, Errol.
Well, we'll check back in a half an hour. I'm going to get down to right about here.
So what did you come up with?
I did a little bit of everything. Total 70 suicide.
Oh, he called it a suicide water. And what layer is the chocolate chips?
We did not put any of those on there.
Well, you failed.
He failed.
Do you need some?
Yeah, I
He
think we
needs
did.
to.
I think you need some.
Do you want vanilla or do you want
Chocolate chips on top of the whipped cream.
There you go.
We're not done yet.
Yeah,
We
one
have
cherry.
cherry.
There you go.
We have
Oh, yeah, cherry on top.
There we go. And cherry on top. Daryl's special Wallbanger is the suicide Wallbanger of all
Side
Wallbangers.
water.
He's got everything. Nice.
I had enough room for everything.
Wait a minute. I think you need more.
Well, y'all, this was our last hoorah. We had a potluck. Just hang out a little bit tonight around the campfire, but the campfire really messes with my sinuses, so we're gonna pass on that. But we had a blast. It was awesome. So if you ever get a chance to come to a rally in Alaska, do it. RVing Alaska 2023. Thank you, Gary and Stacy. We had a fantastic time at the rally in Glen Allen, Alaska. I will put their link to their Facebook page in the description below. Check it out. It's fantastic. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell so you'll be able to get notifications. And we appreciate you watching.